welcome to Sage's Garage. Today we are working on Pascal and we're doing something very exciting that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's a small little project, but it's gonna make a big difference. OXILAM sent me some new LED bulbs for my low beams, which is super exciting. If you recall, in the past I got some high beams and that was great, but I didn't have any low beams. So OXILAM was so kind and they sent me H7 bulbs, which is what fits my car, for my low beams. Very, very exciting. Now, my headlights have been through it. If you've been here for a while, you'll remember that my driver's side headlight fell out on the 401, and then I proceeded to drive over it, and then we went and we got it from the side of the highway, allegedly. Not really. We got it out of the car and got it from the side of the highway. But, haha, I'm just joking. We definitely did not do that. Wink, wink. I can't really wink, but pretend like I'm winking. I feel like you get the point. Then I ended up using that broken one for a while, but then I ended up buying a new used headlight because it was like super cracked and stuff. And so I took the high beam bulb out of it, but I didn't swap my low beam bulb because I was like, oh, it's fine. And this was like a couple of years ago, and I just realized like last month that my low beams are different like color temperatures. So one of them is a cool tone and one of them is a warm tone. So one looks like yellow and one looks blue. Hopefully I can get a clip for you where you can tell. I don't know if I can though. But yeah, so it is definitely about time that I put in some new low beams. So I'm very, very excited. Thank you so much, OXILAM. And obviously I will have a discount code for you guys. It is 20% off your order. And I also have an affiliate link down in the description for you to use. But I am very, very excited. I also have a quick side story to tell you that's completely unrelated. I have worked with OXILAM before, and they sent me this, oh my god, this portable, like, mobile jump starter, and I had to use it the other day. I wasn't filming, unfortunately, but you know, with me, there's always good organic content happening. I have so many car troubles, but it was freezing, and I had gotten my winter tires put on. Basically, I couldn't do it myself because it was like an off-rim change and I didn't have the tools for that, and it was like a blizzard, literally the craziest snowstorm ever, and it was just like desperate. So I got it done, but I had explained my wonky switch to them and they left it on. And so, first of all, I couldn't even unlock my doors. I was freaking out. But anyways, so then the battery totally drained. And then it was a super cold day, so I was able to turn it on and drive it. But then the next morning, I was out, and the car literally died. It was dead, like battery was dead. There was no saving it. But then I remembered I had this guy with me and I was able to use it and I got my car jumped. And genuinely lifesaver. Like, I was out. I had no other option. So I would have had to call like CAA or something and it would have literally ruined my entire day. So I am genuinely so grateful for this. I would recommend this to anybody. This is not even what this video is about, but if you like can get a jump starter, please do, like a portable one, because having this genuinely saved like my life, saved my day, because otherwise I would have been stuck. It just would have been horrible. So I am like indebted to OXILAM for life. I just am so grateful they were there for me that day. So now let's just go ahead and put in these low beams. I'm excited. Okay, we're gonna go drive just into the shadow. Oh my god, this car is so loud. And see if I can show you the lights, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So we're just gonna try our best, okay? Oh. Okay. Yeah, well, I don't know. Let's reverse a little bit. It's a little bit too close to the wall, okay? It's definitely not reflecting on the wall. Let's see. You can see here, you actually can't see that they're different color temperatures, so now I'm kind of feeling like I made that up. And then this is my high beam in the daytime. I don't really know why they look the same color temperature, but maybe I made it up. But I think at nighttime the low beams look different. And I mean, yeah, as you can see, there's like no reflection. Let me see if I turn off the lights. Yeah, there's nothing, like you can't see it on the wall there. Whereas if I do high beams, hold on, you can see them. Then if I turn off the high beams, you can't see low beams. So let's see if that makes a difference when we swap them. Let's open this up and see what we're working with. It says it's LED light, it has high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play, and off-road. Okay, off-road. I'm gonna try and cut this open. Okay, so I think I got high beams and low beams. Let's see. Oh, she's fancy. Okay, here's one. That's one box, and that has two in it and little instructions. Now let's check the other one. I think they're gonna be the exact same. And here's the other box. I think they look the same, but I will double check that there's no difference in like the product specification. Okay, let's go put them in. Quick little recap since I've done this on this channel before. To get the headlight out, there is a lock, and so you have to put a 5mm socket in it and quarter turn to unlock it, and then there's also a release that you have to press down on. We just use like a giant screwdriver for that. This is that little lock you can see there, and that's to lock and unlock the headlight, so we just have to turn that. And then there is a little silver latch that, because of the lighting, I don't know if we'll be able to show you, but basically you just press down and it releases it. So we're just gonna go on in here, and I'm gonna unlock it, we're gonna see if it pops out. Now I'm just gonna press the release spring in here. Okay, I think we got it. And then you can see it popped out here once we unlocked it. And I'm just gonna kind of shimmy it. Okay, I got it a little better, and ta-da! Here we are, and now we're gonna pop this open and put in the new bulb, and also do it on the other side. All right, and we got the other side unlocked, so let's pull it out. Now I think this one is different, yeah, because it's attached here, so I've gotta also unplug it. Oh, okay, great. And now we're gonna fix these headlights as well. All right, we are at the back of the headlight now, and I'm gonna start with just popping this off and opening it up. Here is my high beam, and here is my low beam. The good news is these are all plug and play, so they are super easy to take out and put back in, either when your LEDs or your light bulbs burn out, or if you just want better performance, which is what I want, so I'm very excited. I'm just gonna start with unplugging. Give it a little shimmy shake, and then I'm going to twist this. All right, my old one is out. Let's remove the other one. All right, there we go. And then this is my original bulb. This is a nice close-up of the new OXILAM bulb. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the correct direction. So it's gonna be just like this, the little nibs facing this way. It's laying nice and flush, and then I'm just gonna lock it in place. It is honestly that simple. There we go, locked in place, and now I'm gonna plug it in, so I make sure I'm plugging in the right one. Okay, I've made sure it's pushed on nicely there, and low beam is already done. All right, and then I took my bulb from the other package and I popped it in up here. It's locked in place for my high beam, and now I'm gonna plug this in. Perfect, and now all that's left to do is put the cover back on. There we go, and ta-da, that is on there. And now we can go put this back in the car, but first, let's do the other side. So this was the one that I had run over, but this is the replacement for it, so it looks a little bit different, and it's kind of scary here. I feel like I'm gonna get, I think, tetanus, is that what it's called? I want to say Tetris, but I know that that's a game. And that's a tetanus shot. I don't really know, but I feel this rusty metal is not gonna be fun. Okay. It's really, okay, maybe I'll just do it this way. There we go. Back is off, and now let's do the same thing over here. We're unplugging, we are twisting, we are removing. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one's out. Now we're taking this one off. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Okay, great, awesome. Now, I guess I'll take this one out too. Might as well, since we're doing it. Boom, boom, boom. Old one, out. Alright, I've got my low beam. I'm popping it into place. Gonna lock it in. I'm gonna plug it in. So speedy. The high beam one. And then we're gonna pop this into place. Plug it in as well. Amazing. That was literally so speedy. I'm going to put the cap on off camera to try and rejig this fun thing, but then it's time to put them back in the car. Now, something I've been wanting to do on these for a really long time is use a lens restoring kit. So I'm just gonna start. I just have a wet paper towel and I'm just gonna start by cleaning them off. I also know they look really different, but it's just because the lighting. As of right now, they're exactly the same, like, mistiness. So I'm hoping this lens restorer will make these new bulbs shine even brighter and just make such a big difference in how well I can see, because I would really love that. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the first step, which is a lens clarifying compound, and I'm just gonna use this old rag that I found. This is using firm pressure, so I'm just going to, I guess, apply it all over. Okay, I'm literally sweating so bad. I've been scrubbing this, but that is an insane difference already. Like, can you see? That's actually crazy. So, and that's only the first step, and there's a bunch more steps. So, this is definitely promising. Wow. That is crazy. Alright, well that is an insane difference. This is after I did all the steps. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do it all over again to this one, and then we're gonna be ready to put these back into the car. But wow, that's crazy. Alright, this is how they are looking. It's actually insane, and now they are ready to be put back in the car. We are outside now. It's like almost not jacket weather anymore, which is exciting, but also I decided it was glove time. So clean, so shiny, loving it. First things first, I'm gonna plug this in because I would like the lights to actually work. That is a goal of mine. We got that plugged in. Now I've got these slots here that I've got to line up. So I'm just going to make sure it gets into place. And we're gonna, there we go. And then once we lock it in, we're gonna hold it really well in there. But now let's do the other one. So now this one is still attached in there, the plug, which is nice. So we're just going to slide it in and, okay, good. Boom. Now let's lock them into place, but they're looking nice. Okay, headlights are in, looking good, but more importantly, how do the actual lights look? Let's find out. Brr. Okay, so they look amazing, so much brighter, but one thing that I will say that you obviously notice is the little yellow bit. That's what I was trying to explain earlier, that there's something that's yellow in one of them, not in the other, and I just couldn't see it earlier. But that has nothing to do with the bulbs, right? We changed the bulbs, they're all exactly the same. It has nothing to do with it. It's like a little cover, a little housing in there. So maybe one day I will take it back out and remove that yellow, but for now, it's okay. You know what? It's just a little yellow. That's fine. I'm going to drive us back over to that wall, and we're going to see if we can see our low beams in the wall, which will be very fun. But if not, it's fine, because it's literally bright and sunny out. It's literally the middle of the day. But yeah, that little yellow is actually really annoying. But oh well. It is what it is. Okay, let's do a little test. Oh yeah, you can totally see it. See? Off, on. Yes, you can totally see down there. Ready? Off. Okay, wait, let's go outside of the car actually. Okay. Okay, off. Oh, the sun is coming out. On. Off. On. Let's go high beams. Oh yeah. so good. And on and then off. Oh yeah, you can totally see it. Alright. Well, I am excited. We are gonna bring the car back around now because I am about to head out. So I'm very glad that we got that sorted before I did. But I am so excited. I will definitely be including the code for you guys, which is Sage Aurora for 20% off your purchase, as well as my affiliate link that will be down in the description below. And genuinely, like, I couldn't recommend OXILAM more. That was so easy. Literally, I'm so excited to see my low beams at night and see what they look like. Very, very exciting. And then also they literally saved my life with the jump starter. So genuinely love OXILAM. Love that I get to work with them again, and I could not recommend them to you guys more. If I didn't actually love them, I would not be posting this video here because I am not that girl. I'm only going to promote something that actually means something to me and that I actually believe in. So just know we stay real over here. You guys have seen all the issues on this channel, so why would I hide my feelings about this? I wouldn't. Just so you know. Yay! I posted again on this channel. I'm so excited to be back, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm very excited for the weather to get warmer and to post more for you guys. Finally take the Triumph out of the garage and get to drive it around and do some other fun stuff to it, so I'm very, very excited. I love that I'm not wearing a jacket right now, even though I'm freezing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time, and thank you again so much, OXILAM. Bye!